The next report is 3D Secure Report, where we will see all the transactions from a 3D secure perspective, whether it was successfully 3D secured or not. Like all reports, we can search the transactions with Ford ID or merchant reference, but we will search the transactions by any date range. As you can see, the different information, Ford ID, merchant reference, date and time of the transaction, and 3D Secure card, where it will show whether the card is enrolled in 3D Secure or not. 3D Secure ECI is the ECI value of the transaction, and the message is where it shows if it was approved or not, and this is what you need to know. If the transaction was successfully 3D secured or not. So whether you see that the card is 3D secured and the message in approved, then this means that it was successfully 3D secured. If you see that it's not a 3D secured card, meaning it is not enrolled for 3D Secure, you will always see null in both these boxes, as it will pass without going through the 3D Secure stage. Now let's take a look at some transactions which were not successfully 3D secured. For example, in this case, it shows that the card is enrolled to 3D Secure. However, the card holder was not authorized. This is an issue in 3D Secure authentication, meaning the card holder failed to submit the correct 3D Secure password, and that's why the transaction has been declined on the 3D Secure level only. And that's how you can read the 3D Secure report. Now the next report is the Installments report. If you have enrolled in Installments, you will be able to see this report, and if you want to see only installment transactions, you will find them here. And the search can be done by date range, Ford ID, merchant reference, authorization code, or the status. There are two types of statuses. One is exported, meaning all the transactions are exported and it has been converted into the installment plans. And the second one is not exported, are the ones which have not been converted into installment plans. In this account, we don't have any installment transactions, so we will not be able to see a live demo. The last report we have is the Tokenization report, and it shows you how many tokens are created in your account and how many of them are active or inactive. Like we previously explained, tokens are for every transaction for the tokenization service activated in your account. There is a Remember Me option on the payment page. So if the cardholder clicks the Remember Me option, it saves the credit card information. So the next time they visit your website, the card information will be automatically populated. If you want to search a transaction by token name, you can search for it here. If you want to search for a transaction by card BIN number, which are the first 6 digits of the card, you can search from here. You can also search with card expiry date, and there is status, active and inactive. So based on expiry date, you will be able to see the status of the token, whether it's active or inactive. So let's search how many tokens are there. At the moment, there are no tokens available in this account, as it's a demo account, which does not save any token numbers. And with this, we end our reports demo.